Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is we are here at Diplomatic Club. So behind me is the place where I'm going because I wanted to try their fresh ice cream, which is I wanted to try the mango. So let's go! So guys, they have the setting here from outside. If you want to come visit during the night, it's fine because it's not that much hot, I think. Look at this. Very nice. So finally, I have visited this ice cream palace. Ooh, it's too hot. So hello everyone. Today we are here at Ice Cream Palace, and they are located here at Diplomatic Club. And finally, I am going to try the trending ice cream, which is the fruits. It's actually a fresh fruit, so I'm actually choosing a mango. So this is how it looks on their shops. It's very nice, very cozy, and it's very clean. Look at that. And I'm so excited to try the mango ice cream, which is this. So I'm so excited. It's actually pricey. Super pricey because it's for a mango it's 30 real, and for pineapple it's 35, for coconut it's 30, and for watermelon it's also 30. So I'm going to try the mango. I hope it's good. So here it is, guys. This is actually the mango, fresh mango, and ice cream will come out there. Go, go, go. Ayun na. Uy, ang sarap. Uy, delicious. Oh my God. Yan. Hi guys! So here it is, the trending ice cream. So I'm having a mango. This is actually a fresh mango inside. It's a fresh fruit. And this is the ice cream. So let's go. Let's try it. Yee, excited. Mmm. Yummy. Hala, it's so delicious. Promise. Ang sarap. So everyone, if you're in Qatar, please come visit Ice Cream Palace, and they are located here at Diplomatic Club. So, thank you, Sobra. Sure po. Bye-bye. So, hi guys! Look at this super cutie, delicious mango ice cream. Actually here at Ice Cream Palace. This is looking so delicious, right? I already tried it, but it's yummy. You have to try it, guys. You have to visit their shops. Super! The one inside, it's actually the fresh mango. And this one is the ice cream. It's so tasty, as in super. Sobrang sarap. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. But it's very sulit because look at that. It's so big and it's so masarap. Yum.